Honey, please, I need my car key. I'm going out.
I want to go somewhere now.
And you want to go somewhere? But it's my car. Let me have the car key.
Okay, fine, I'll drop you off.
No, it's not possible. You can book a ride, but I need the car key. It's very important. I need to be there.
I will drop you.
Please, let me have the car key, please.
You know, babe, okay, you booked the ride.
How will you expect me to book a ride when I have a car? Car that I bought with my own money. Please, let me have this car key. You see, they are waiting, my superior, they are waiting for me. Let me have the car key.
Why are you being so rude towards me? I don't understand. What's the meaning of this? I said I will drop you off. You are complaining.
What's the meaning of I'm being so rude? My own car? Let me have the key. You're here delaying me. There is no time again, please.
When you learn to talk to me politely, then I'll give you this car key. But for now, I'm not giving you.
Okay, you will not give me the car key. Okay, it's fine. Let me have my car key.
It's because of your car key, you have to dress up like this.
Please, can I have my car key?
Why did you dress like this?
Daniel, don't ask me that stupid question. Let me have my car key.
You see this car key? I'm not going to get it.
And says who?
Says me.
Says who? Wait.
You tried to slap me.
Daniel, did you just... Wait, did you want to... What are you trying to do? You want to beat me back?
What is happening here?
Do you want to beat me back?
God, what is it?
Mama, welcome. Mama, I was on my way out and I told my husband, calmly, please let me have my car key. He refused. I was not even putting on my uniform. Could you imagine dragging my own car key that I bought with my own money? Dragging it with me. Can you imagine? What an audacity.
It's okay.
Did you get this car with your money? Let me have my car key.
What is wrong with you?
Mama, the daughter came to me this morning. She said that she wants to go to work that I waiting for. I said, okay, let me drop you off. And I'm going somewhere to say that I should order a ride. I said, I don't want to order a ride. Let me drop you off because we're going, it's not the same direction we're going.
Wait, are you expecting me now you want to drop me in my own office? So they will look me as somebody that does not have a car?
I don't understand.
Whereas I have a car.
Is he not your husband?
Mama is my husband, but you should know when I need my car.
Your husband is explaining things to me. Please, will you keep quiet?
Okay, ma.
Mama, before you know what happened, the daughter went up and changed to her uniform. And she wanted to slap me. That's when you came in. Because you saw me holding her hand.
You're not even on duty.
But I need to report to the office.
You want to report to the office? You want to use this uniform to...
You need to report to the office. So because of your husband, you went back and wear your uniform. Bully your husband.
Mama, at least my uniform will make him give me the respect that I deserve. He should respect me. As a uniform woman, he should respect me.
Yes, he will respect you as a uniform woman when you're on uniform, not at home. In the house, he's your husband. You're supposed to respect your husband. What is wrong with you?
Mama, for peace to reign.
So because you're a uniform woman now, he should be bowing down for you.
Mama, for peace to reign, he should get his own car. Because I cannot take this. I cannot take this nonsense.
Well, clap for yourself because you are the first person that bought a car and your husband is using it.
You see that walk that you want to go to, that you have to disrespect me in my own house. That work, I'll make sure that they suspend you.
What an audacity.
You know why? Why you were away from home, I installed CCTV camera in this house. So this nonsense you just pulled right now, everything is being recorded. I'm going to take that video coverage. I'm going to take it to your superior.
So you put CCTV and you did not inform me as your wife in this house.
It was a security
So you are doing things on your own. So you want to blackmail me now with CCTV?
I mean, you were away from home. I was also away from home. I need to, because of security, for security, I have to put it. You understand?
That's why you are trying me, but it's fine.
My in-law is okay. I know that this is a family issue. We can still resolve it.
Of course.
You understand?
Mama, my wife must get punished. See this house that you're going to sit at home very well, Lou. Just get ready to be sitting at home because this thing I'm going to take it to your superior.
It's
and
okay.
you're going to be punished.
Please let us.
Mama, you can see that it's threatening me now.
I'm not threatening you.
One. This is something. Let us settle this thing. Now I'm here. My in-law, please. I'm sorry. On behalf of her, I'm sorry, and I know she will apologize to you. Let us just resolve everything. There's no need of taking the CCTV camera to the superior. It doesn't make
So
any
if
sense.
I left her alone now, she said that she would slap me.
She won't do it.
But she did. She almost
But
did.
she won't do it again.
Ma,
She won't
don't
do it
worry.
again.
She's my wife now. It's our, like you said, it's our family. If we know how we're going to resolve it, right? Don't we? No problem. I'm going to take it to your workplace right now, and I'm going to get the video coverage.
Mama, just
Everything
imagine
ready.
what my husband is saying. Family issue, want to take it to my own office.
This woman think
Let-
I'm
Is,
joking.
is that, is that reasonable?
Let us
Let's
not drag
go.
this issue. He will drop you. But before then, let us settle this thing. Apologize to your husband. My in-law, please. Apologize to your husband.
Mama, I'm not saying I'm not going to apologize, but you see that threat that is given. I don't like that threat.
I'm not
Imagine
threatening you.
taking our own family issue to my office. It's not right now. Something that we can still try.
Are you going to follow me to your workplace, or I'm going to go there now?
It's fine. I'm sorry.
My in-law.
Mama,
Please.
Mama, we are going to our workplace now. Follow me.
But I just
What
said
do you
I'm
want to go and do
sorry.
there?
What I want to go and do there, you know. If she's not following me, I'm going to go there by myself. I have everything on my phone. Don't worry.
Mama, excuse me. Let me go and meet my husband. Honey?
What is wrong with these children? Let me follow them.